We're going to go ahead and mark them at 5 inches from the bottom, and then we're going to drill the holes, and that's going to be on both gallons. So we're going to start off with drilling a gallon, any gallon, basically 4 holes at the top. And then we're going to also do 4 holes at the bottom. Basically north, south, east, west on each side of
Leave my feet alone.
You don't want the holes too big because then dirt will get inside and will get inside the gallon. That's definitely not what we want.